Hello everyone, welcome to Don's PC Guide. This episode is the first in my new quick guide series where I'm going to keep all of my videos under 5 minutes. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the GodMode folder and how to create it. So, a lot of you may not know what the GodMode folder is. So let's do a little explanation here. So basically, the GodMode folder, it does not enable any extra features that aren't already in your computer. All it does is it sorts them into a nice little list of every single feature that you can use in the control panel, plus a couple extra admin features. So let's get started on how to create the GodMode folder. So first off, we're gonna just create a new folder. Now you're going to look in the description of this video. I have the code written out right in the top section of the description. I have it right here on my desktop. And basically all we're going to do is we're going to rename that folder. So right click, rename, and then you are going to paste in that code. Now as soon as you click enter, it's just going to turn into a GodMode folder. Okay, so now that we've created that GodMode folder, we're going to click on it. And now you'll notice what I meant by it just displays every single feature from the control panel. So we'll start with administrative tools. We've got all those, as well as all the autoplay sections, backup and restore, and so on and so forth. I'm not going to name them all. I'm just going to slowly scroll through them. So a lot of these you probably won't even know existed in the first place, and that's the coolest part about the GodMode folder. You can kind of learn as you go. So if you create this, you can just look through it and learn all the tools that you've never used before. Okay, now that we've just quickly looked through all of the features, I'm going to show you my favorite one. So this is how to make your own characters. So you can make your own font, which is really cool in Windows, and you could do whatever you want. You could put a little heart or whatever. So what we're going to do is under fonts, we're going to click character editor. And then you'll choose which spot of code to put it in. You don't have to worry too much if you're only making one of these. And then we'll put a little heart. Why not? There we go. It's a pretty bad heart, but that's all right. We're going to click edit and then save character. Now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to use this character now that you've made it. So we're going to close this. We're going to open preview, delete, or show fonts. We're going to click on find a character. And then from this whole list, you're going to scroll all the way up to the top, and there should be an all fonts. So those are the ones that you made yourself. So I'll click on that, and there's my heart. We'll click select and then copy. Now all we have to do is just paste this wherever you want. There is a way of putting it on your keyboard, but that's too tricky. So that's basically the only way I'd recommend of doing it, is just copying it and pasting it. But I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. I hope you have a great day. Make sure you hit that bell for more videos. Talk to you later.